understand me, God. Whoa, yeah. I can't get enough of your love, baby. I get enough of your love. Whoa, I want you in my arms. Want you in my arms. Play that bass, stop. Said I want you in my arms. Listen, for you, there's nothing I would do. Oh no, baby girl, till we come too far to give up now, too far to give up now. Oh baby, need you in my time. Oh, I need you in my arms. I want you. Sit in my arms. Come here close to me, girl. Sit in my arms.
Thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment, and of course, subscribe.